What's up, investors? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source and the number one information source for everything and anything regarding the stock market, the financial world, and more specifically, Vinco Ventures. Today, guys, we got a special video on Vinco Ventures, and we're going to be talking about what is happening to this stock and why is it in big trouble. All right, guys, it is down almost 20% on the daily, but can it recover? Is this stock done? Can this stock ever even reach the $5 mark ever again? And a whole lot more is what we're going to be talking about in this video. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything on a YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says open an app, go to app. I want you guys to press on that. It will take you directly to the YouTube app on your device. It will take you out of this weird template, whether you're on Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it will make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So now that you've done that, let's get this video on Bbig started. Bbig, a combination of fundamentals and a momentum play, was up around 250% from September to, or rather from August to September. Okay, guys, this is a stock that jumped from $3 all the way up to $11 or almost $11. But why did it do so well? It was a combination of a couple of things. It was a combination of a whole lot of hype coming out saying that this is a stock that is potentially worth $40 in the future. Combination of high short interest and low float, and also a combination of good catalysts. Now, what was this catalyst? This catalyst was their Cryptide spinoff that was later delayed to the month of December, okay, which then caused the stock to come down. So the truth is, guys, with these earnings, right, the earnings that dropped yesterday, I was very disappointed. And I'm going to tell you guys why. Not because of necessarily the earnings that came out bad, which they weren't even really that bad, to be honest with you guys. They were pretty bad, but you need to understand, guys, that this is a growth company, okay? And when a growth company is in the growth stage, you can't really expect them to have the strongest fundamentals as well, right? Because you're kind of investing for the long term and you're not investing for the value of the company right now, okay? So with that being said, right, let's just go over their financials. Their revenue came in at 2.23 million, which was a negative 11% from last year. Their gross profit margins decreased by approximately 9% from 40% to 31.4%. And their cash equivalent was restricted to a total of almost 150 million. Now, they explained regarding their cash and their net loss, saying that the increase in net loss is primarily due to the issuance of warrants during the quarter and the change estimated fair value of outstanding warrants as of September 30th, 2021, as well as the costs associated with the Lomotive transaction and the results of its operations, which were consolidated into the company's financials results for the first time this quarter. Okay, so basically they're saying, look, we did a lot of stuff. That we didn't necessarily include in our previous balance sheets and etc. and our earnings reports previously, but we decided to report them all at once in a shit sandwich, for no lack of better term, this quarter. Now, why was I so upset? Why was I so let down by these earnings, guys? Because these earnings had the potential of taking the stock all the way from $3 all the way up to $8 again, okay? Because look, this is a momentum play, okay? And the momentum plays, the way they work, right? Momentum, that short squeeze plays, the way they work, guys, is that the stock gets to a point where the retail is familiar with it, right? The retail investors are familiar with it. Now, they've already maybe squeezed it out, right? They've squeezed the juice out of the company, aka how the stock went from $3 all the way up to $11. And now the juice has kind of seeped back into the lemon, okay? So hence how we went from $11 back down to $3 again, right? And now the juice is full. The lemon is ready to be squeezed again. And all it's waiting for is another good catalyst for the squeeze to be squeezed and the stock to go up another 50% or 70% or some crazy growth that we experienced in Bbig previously. But guys, before we get to that, just a quick update that we have now added 5 more spots to the discounted version of our Trade Alert program. For those that don't know what the Trade Alert program entails, it's basically my trade alerts and my swing trades throughout the month with a 10% profits guaranteed. That means if that month I don't make 10% on my calls, then everybody gets refunded. Now usually guys, this program costs $30 per month, but due to Friday, Cyber Friday, Black Friday month, or whatever you want to call it, we've reduced the price to only $20 per month. But however, the $20 per month was limited to only 20 spots, okay, because I don't want to let in too many people who aren't paying that $30, okay, which is what the program is actually worth, to be honest with you guys, okay, because I mean it comes with a $200 a month lottery as well, right? But that I added 20 spots, and those 20 spots flew off the shelf like in the first 5 days of November, okay, and I was like, what do we do? What are we going to do? So I decided to add 5 more spots to it. But guys, from those 5 spots as well, 2 spots have already been filled by people that signed up last night. So there's 3 spots remaining on the discounted version of the Money Talk Trade Alert program, which comes with a 10% profits guaranteed and also a $200 a month lottery. Okay, so check that out, guys. The link is in the comments. First comment, personal comments, you will see the link to sign up through Patreon. Okay, so now let's get talking about BBIG again, and can BBIG recover? So BBIG can absolutely recover in my opinion, and the next big catalyst that we're going to get is going to be that mid-December Cryptide spin-off news again, right? I mean, the hype of the Cryptide, guys, it's important to remember that the hype from Cryptide took the stock from $5 all the way up to $8, okay, just in October. From October 8th to October 14th, the stock jumped a total of 66% from $5 to $8, okay, just based on the news that, oh, Cryptide spinoff is happening and etc. So I absolutely see this stock making a comeback and making its way back to $5 with the Cryptide news. But however, if I'm wrong, then this company is definitely going to be a long-term hold, because personally, I do believe that this company is going to do very well on their next financials, considering that they have now working with AdRiser or whatever that company is called to monetize their Lomotif platform. Okay, and when that gets monetized, their revenue is going to be a whole lot more than 2.23 million. I mean, 2.23 million. That's so low. I was shocked. I couldn't believe it, to be honest with you guys. But I mean, it is only 10% less than 11% less than their last year, so I shouldn't be that shocked. But still, I mean, it did shock me based on the evaluation that all the investors and etc. have given this company, right? It was a little bit confusing to me. But with that being said, guys, I would say hold until the upcoming week of the Cryptide spinoff, and I would see a sharp decline after the Cryptide spinoff, because people are given Cryptide shares and BBIG shares, and they're likely to sell either their BBIG shares or their Cryptide shares and hold on to one. So we will see kind of a sharp decline as well after the Cryptide spinoff is actually confirmed and the deal is sealed and etc. So with that being said, I would kind of buy the rumor and sell the news on that event. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. I want to hear from you guys, and I want to know what you think. Do you think this stock is actually dead and it never has a chance of recovering, and etc.? And if you think that this stock can recover, also smash the thumbs up button on this video so this video gets shared out to more BBIG investors so they can also understand what is going on with their favorite stock. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Happy investing. Money Talk.